Hey guys, I'm Ronnie, and this is Flip Flop Nation. All right, guys, it's been 30 days since I started the resale journey. Yes, 30 days ago, I decided, hey, uh, since I'm not teaching out at the college, well, to help supplement my wife's income, let me go ahead and get back into reselling on platforms such as eBay and Poshmark. Of course, I started out with things around the house. I got those and listed those on eBay. And then I began buying things at different thrift stores. So, 30 days, I've got my notebook to tell us how many items sold, what they sold for, and we sold 29 items at $1,261.13. All of those sold on eBay except for one, which sold on Poshmark. Now, you want to take a look at some of these items, see what they were, what they sold for. Maybe you can, maybe you have some of these items laying around the house, or maybe you're out thrifting and you see those and you say, hey, I can pick that up and I can make a little bit of money. You never know. So, again, 28 items sold on eBay, one sold on Poshmark, $1,261. And of course, not all of that is profit. That's the gross sales. Fees had to come out. Cost of goods has to come out. Got to pay your taxes. So, it's not all profit, but it's a start. But anyway, let's get into looking at everything that's sold. Okay, our first item is some makeup that my wife has sitting around, and it sold for $13.99 with free shipping. The second item, also some makeup stuff that she had lying around. It did not sell for full price. We took a best offer of $20 on this item, and of course we had free shipping on this item as well. Now, when I started out, I had a lot of free shipping on items, and then I changed to letting the customer pay for the shipping. But here we have a wild honeysuckle Bath and Body Works lotion that we found at a thrift store. We took a best offer of $30 and provided free shipping. Now here we have some Miss Me boyfriend ankle jeans. I picked these up. Now Miss Me used to be a great brand to resell, and some of these are still will sell. But what I really liked about these was they were distressed. The patches that were on there, I thought it would be unique enough that women would still like these. So they sold for $29.99, our full asking price, and the buyer paid shipping. Now, here's the only item that we sold on Poshmark. I was trying to, cross post all my items onto Poshmark, but I got a lot of scam people trying to message me and this, that, and the other, and then I just didn't get any traction. But I did sell this camera for $275, full asking price on Poshmark. Funny enough, this camera I bought about 4 years ago to start filming our travels and things like that. I bought it on eBay for $35. Of course, I did buy 2 new batteries and a charger. That was like $10 off of Amazon. So I had like $45 into this item. And 4 years later, I resold it for $275. That's crazy, right? All right, back to what we got sold. This bag here, Auger and Strauss crossbody messenger bag. I picked it up at a local thrift for like $4. Sold for $29.99, free shipping. And of course, this item ended up going to Puerto Rico, which the shipping was a little more, but it wasn't too bad. We still made a good profit on it. Now, here's some more makeup that the wife had just lying around. So we sold it, $14.99, full asking price with $4.99 shipping. 7 for All Mankind Dojo Flare jeans. Now, this is definitely a bolo. They sell this item right here sold for full asking price, and it's sold quick. The Dojos, you can tell those they've got that 7 logo on the pockets there. The legs are flared out. But $49.99, I paid $7.46 for this item. So they paid the $49.99 and $9.99 shipping. Now, to speak of shipping, I come up with just different, try to come up with rates for certain items that if somebody purchased it and they went to Alaska, Hawaii, or Puerto Rico, that it would cover, because it's hard when you got a flat rate shipping to get an exact total. So, you know, the shipping may not be the complete $9.99. It may be a little under, and sometimes it may be just a little over. But it gives me a point to work with. Blade for Men Torque 3 replacement cartridges. A bolo. I put these up and they sold within, the first day. Uh, Not only just this particular brand, but also just razor blades in general. You know, people buy these. This sold for full asking price, $24.99, $4.99 shipping. Easy to ship, throw in a little poly mailer, boom, out the door. Here is a Twilight Forever, the Complete Saga DVD set. I had it listed for $21.99. Somebody offered me $20. I took it, and they paid the $6.99 shipping. I think I paid $1.39 for this item. Kodak Carousel 4400 slide projector. Now, originally I listed it for $149.99. After doing some more research, the lens on it, I figured it was no good, and I put that into the description that the lens I thought was wonky. So, after doing some research, I knew it was bad. It would have to be replaced. So when this gentleman offered me $81.50 for it, I took it. Not a bad deal. And I had free shipping on this. It was a heavy item. I really should have had a flat rate shipping on this to help cover the cost of that. But still, with the $81.50 free shipping, we still made money. I paid $10 for the item, so we still made good money. Pokemon, the first movie on VHS. Now I picked this up. I knew Pokemon is a good seller. Pokemon, kids love it. My son loved it, and I actually took him to see this movie back in 2000. I mean, Lord, it's been a long time. I took him to this movie, and I really was hesitant on selling this little VHS. I thought I might just give it to him as a gift, but I ended up selling it anyway. $9.99 full asking, $4.99 economy shipping. Now, economy shipping is the media mail. Media mail, you can ship books, movies, DVDs, a whole lot cheaper, usually cheaper than you can Ground Advantage. Here we have some Brooks Ghost 14 shoes. Now, I had it listed for $34.99. I got a best offer of $22, and I took it. And the reason why I took it, because, well, these are stained. If you've noticed that one shoe there on the toe, well, there's a lot of staining there. And again, you can see in the condition here, some staining and signs of wear. So I pointed that out, but they paid $22, and they also paid shipping on this item. Here we have some women's Dansko nursing clogs. I sold these for $24.99 full asking price with $10.99 shipping. And these are heavy shoes. These weighed over 2 pounds, so that fell into my $10.99 shipping flat rate. Again, Dansko, a lot of times these are good shoes to resell, but they have cooled off a bit. You'll see more and more online, so you may not get the prices that you used to could get, but they still sell. All right, next item, Paradise Fan Hawaiian shirt. Now, I bought this back when I was reselling on eBay several years ago, and it was just out in the garage, and I was out there looking, and I found it. I posted it for $29.99. It did not go for full asking. I did get an offer for $26.99. Boom, sold it. I remember buying this item. It was like a couple dollars, $2 and something, $2.50, $3 at the most. But sold it for $26.99 with $6.99 shipping. Here's some Abeo BioFlora women's clogs, nursing shoes. I had them listed for $34.99, and with that great design on it, I think that's why it sold for full asking price. Too Faced Born This Way makeup again. Wife had it laying around. It was a gift. Wasn't using it. I threw it up on eBay. Got a best offer for $18, $4.99 shipping, and out the door it goes. Now, let's see. The next item is also some nursing shoes. I picked these up for like $7. They sold for $14.01 with $9.99 shipping. So that took it up to about $24 overall after fees and everything. I mean, you know, I'm not breaking the bank on this one, but out the door they go. Here I picked up a Canon Snappy LX 35mm point shoot film camera, listed for $24.99, sold for $20 plus $6.99 shipping. These cameras are always good to check it, look them up. A lot of cameras are still selling for great money. Here we have a vintage pair of Levi's Silver Tab Carpenter jeans. I had them listed for $49.99. They sold for $39.99 plus shipping. This Silver Tab jeans it's a great brand to be looking for. You know, the Y2K, the younger generation are looking for the jeans, the clothing that they wore when they were kids. So, you know, they want to get that look again. So be on the lookout for the Silver Tab jeans. The next item is a pair of Hudson Beth Baby Boot medium wash jeans, listed for $24.99, $9.99 shipping. It's sold for full price. Big Star Lift boot cut jeans, sold for a best offer of $20 with $9.99 shipping. Here was a great find. I wished I could have wore this jacket, but unfortunately it just didn't fit me in the shoulders. It's a little small, so I listed it. A vintage Levi's denim trucker jacket, listed it for $54.99. It sold real quick. Maybe I should have listed for a little more, but I am happy with the amount that I paid, $54.99. Paid $7.50 for the jacket. That's a pretty good deal. Here we have a Ralph Polo Lauren polo shirt, a big size. It was an XXL, great color block. I knew it would sell. Unfortunately, I did not notice that there were a couple stains on the bottom hem when I purchased it. So when I got an offer for $30, I took it. And of course, like I say, I always make sure I put all, you know, imperfections or anything of an item on the description so that the buyer does know, and it helps about getting you know, not getting returns. Next item, more makeup or lotion or something, just lying around the house again. $10.99 full asking price. Here we have a pair of vintage Levi's 560 men's denim jeans. These went to a seller. Now the seller's name, it said something like Rock and Roll Jeans or something. I'm assuming maybe they're a reseller and they're purchasing these jeans to resell. It's a big market for the vintage Levi's. You know, do your research, figure out how to tell what are vintage and what's not vintage. And then, of course, you know, it will only make the prices of those jeans go up. These I listed for $29.99, full asking price, got it, plus the $9.99 shipping. The next item is a Tyndale King James Version Life Application Study Bible. Had it listed for $24.99. It was in very good condition. It sold for full asking price plus $5.99 medium mail shipping. Here we have a pair of Lee Dungaree straight jeans. I had it listed for $34.99, but took an offer of $20 because I said, why not? I was already going to I was printing out my labels to ship out some items. This come in, I said, just another item to ship out today. Boom, $20. I paid $7 for the jeans. Not breaking the bank, but still a good sale. Just bread and butter item. So that's it. That's 29 items sold on eBay this month. Of course, if you like this video, make sure you go and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like, share, all that good stuff. I plan on doing more videos. I want to do some videos me actually out there thrifting, finding items. I'll do recap videos on what sold. You know, if I get to selling a lot of stuff, of course, I wouldn't go through every single item. It would just be the good stuff. But so that's what I have planned for the channel. Glad you watched this video and hope you'll watch more. Until next time, well, we'll be seeing you.